Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my channel and hope everyone is doing wonderfully well. In today's video, I share with you this Ghana tea bread recipe. This bread was so soft, delicious, and easy to make, and you will definitely love it after watching this video to the end. If you are new here, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Without wasting time, guys, let's get started. So I have my ingredients here. So I have my flour, milk powder, nuts milk, vanilla essence. Also, I will add some sugar, that is 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add my butter, also 1 tablespoon, and my yeast. So these are my dry ingredients. In an empty bowl, I will add in all my dry ingredients together. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, hey, I'm Getty and you are welcome to my channel where I share easy food recipes here. And if it is something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and also click on the bell icon for notification anytime I upload a new video. So at this point, I have added all the dry ingredients. Now go ahead and mix everything until they are well combined. So guys, please stay tuned.